good I get. It's kind of hard to see you with the sun shining. Kind of hard to see you with the sun shining, yes. How are you doing, huh? Are you pretty babies? We got somebody over there crying, don't we? Hi, yes, you are so cute. You are cute. It's hard to see you. Yes, it is. Can't tell what I'm getting. What is it? What is it, huh? Hi there. Hi there. Yeah, hi there. Hi there. You're all adorable. Yes, you are. You're adorable, aren't you? Adorable little guys. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're wound. Are you wound? It's nice outside, though, isn't it? Huh? Nice outside? Yeah. Okay. Let's go see what I got.